These are the DoorBird IP video indoor stations. And these are the new DoorBird IP video indoor stations. The new DoorBird IP video indoor stations are available in two great versions. Both feature a high-resolution 7-inch touchscreen and an ultra-slim design. And first we have our new indoor station, the A1103. It is available in both black and white. In addition to the touchscreen, it features a touch bar. For the most important functions such as talking, opening the door, or muting, over 50 ringtones are available, and it also offers crystal clear two-way audio communication thanks to integrated echo and noise cancellation. There is also a configurable RGB LED status bar for visual call signaling or missed door calls. It supports room-to-room communication when using multiple indoor stations, and of course SIP, for example, for concierge or caretaker calls. From the indoor station, we have access to the door station's visitor history and even a built-in weather forecast. Of course, the indoor station can also be used for building and home automation control thanks to integrated interfaces and relays. And that brings us straight to the connection options, so let's take a look at the back of the device. Right in the center, we have an RJ45 network connection. This allows the indoor station to be easily connected to the local network. And of course, the new indoor stations also support PoE, so you only need one network cable to supply the indoor station with both power and data. And if a network connection is not available, the new indoor stations are also Wi-Fi capable. This means you only need a power connection at the installation site and, of course, a stable Wi-Fi signal. There are also two digital inputs, for example, for floor call buttons, and of course, two potential free bistable switching relays, for example, for connecting a door opener or calling an elevator. The indoor station can be conveniently configured from anywhere at any time using the DoorBird app or the web-based dashboard. And also brand new, the A1103 is optionally available as the A1103T with an integrated induction loop for hearing aids. And this is the new A1104 TIP video indoor station. It has all the features of the A1103, but differs in its design. Instead of a touch bar, we have an elegant trim made of high-quality stainless steel. And this is also available in several different versions. Brushed stainless steel, brushed PVD bronze, brushed PVD gold, polished PVD brass, and powder-coated in graphite black. This allows the new indoor station to blend perfectly into your interior design. The A1104T indoor station is operated entirely via the digital touch display, where you can adjust the positioning of the digital function keys on the screen to suit your needs. The A1104T indoor stations are always delivered with an integrated induction loop for hearing aids. And mounting the new indoor station is also straightforward and can be done either directly on the wall with a standard flush mount or cavity wall box. The wall bracket is, of course, included in our scope of delivery, or simply on our table stand, if you want to use the device on a dresser, for example, or want to remain flexible in your choice of location. The new mounting bracket also makes installation easier because thanks to the integrated tilt and hold function, you can easily reach all connections at any time, and the indoor station stays securely in its place, so that you have your hands free. And if you already have an A1101 indoor station and now feel like an upgrade, the switch is child's play. Whether you use the mounting bracket on the wall or on the table stand, the new mounting bracket has the right screw holes for a one-to-one replacement. And if your A1101 was previously mounted without a flush mount box, then we have a great surface mount adapter here, so that you too can easily upgrade to a new A1103 or A1104. The surface mount adapter is of course also suitable for all new installations where no flush mount box can be installed. And now I wish you a lot of pleasure with the new DoorBird A1103 and A1104 IP video indoor stations.